MG has teased the upcoming 2024 ZS, showcasing a bolder, more aggressive design and introducing a powerful hybrid powertrain. The new ZS, aimed at revitalizing MG's presence in the competitive compact SUV market, sports a striking front fascia with sharp, angular lines and a redesigned grille, giving it a more assertive, angry look. Under the hood, the ZS will offer a hybrid system combining efficiency with enhanced performance, positioning it as a compelling option in the growing hybrid SUV segment. The 2024 ZS's design marks a departure from its previous iterations, embracing a more assertive aesthetic. The front end is characterized by a large, angular grille and sleek, narrow headlights that give the SUV a distinctly aggressive look. The teaser images reveal a more sculpted hood and a dynamic front bumper, further enhancing its road presence. This angry face is likely to appeal to younger buyers who favor bold, sporty designs in their vehicles. The rear of the ZS is expected to carry forward this aggressive theme, with updated taillights and a more pronounced rear bumper. While full details on the design are still under wraps, the teaser suggests that MG is focusing on creating a vehicle that stands out in a crowded market. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of the 2024 ZS is its new hybrid powertrain. MG is aiming to blend fuel efficiency with spirited performance, making the ZS a strong contender in the hybrid SUV segment. Although exact specifications have not yet been disclosed, it is anticipated that the hybrid system will deliver a significant boost in power compared to its gasoline-only predecessor, while also offering improved fuel economy. This move aligns with the global shift towards electrification, with MG positioning the ZS as a forward-thinking option for consumers who want the benefits of a hybrid without sacrificing driving dynamics. The hybrid system is expected to feature both regenerative braking and multiple driving modes, allowing drivers to optimize performance or efficiency depending on their needs. The introduction of a hybrid powertrain in the ZS is a strategic move for MG, aiming to broaden the appeal of the model and capture a larger share of the compact SUV market. With growing consumer interest in hybrids, the ZS could attract buyers who are environmentally conscious but still desire a stylish and capable vehicle. The new design and hybrid option will likely make the ZS a more attractive choice in markets where MG is working to expand its presence. Given its bold new look and the promise of enhanced performance, the 2024 ZS is poised to make a strong impression when it officially debuts. The 2024 ZS, with its aggressive styling and new hybrid powertrain, represents a significant evolution for the model. By combining eye-catching design with the latest in hybrid technology, MG is positioning the ZS to stand out in the competitive compact SUV segment. As the brand continues to expand its global footprint, the new ZS could play a pivotal role in attracting a new generation of MG customers who value both performance and sustainability.